I sent my principal secretary and entire team to look at the working of PMO. And what I found out was there is not a single iota in a fact that it's centralized. It's not centralized. It's totally decentralized. What PMO is doing, or in my case, what CMO is doing, we are trying to help the ministries, because ultimately in our parliamentary democracy, the Prime Minister or Chief Minister has entire power, and the bureaucracy is directly answerable, although to the minister, but ultimately to the Chief Minister or Prime Minister. So we identify the critical areas. My office interacts more with the ministers. We try to find out what are the difficulties in pushing the agenda, and on the agenda we hold the consultations. Through those consultations, we empower the ministers to take actually the critical decisions. So the PMO or CMO in my case is to help the ministers. It's not at all to concentrate the power. So I don't take decisions for them. I help them if it is required.
But some of your colleagues say that you keep check on them. You are more concerned about likes and dislikes of Modi ji, and you have a direct connection with him, so you are not bothered about all the ministers and other infrastructure in government.
No, that's not true. In fact, I am more concerned about my ministers. And see, even in our party system, actually, whether it is Mr. Modi or whether it is our party president Mr. Amit Shah, they never interfere. It's only when we require certain assistance that we talk to them. So here, I don't think, see, there are no such dynamics in our ministry.
There is no interference in your day-to-day work?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
No guidance?
No. Guidance only when I seek. Otherwise, I did so many transfers from, forget Mr. Modi or Mr. Shah, from entire central ministry, not a single minister recommended a name.
Not even Gadkari?
No,
Gadkari?
No, not at all.
Because he is senior most minister from Maharashtra.
It is only if it's a case about Nagpur. Both of us are from Nagpur, so in our joint interest, he may speak to me that, look, we need a good person here, so please can you bring? But otherwise, there are no recommendations.